Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Jaylyn, and today I'm coming back with my mini twist routine. This is my absolute favorite protective style because I can easily re-moisturize my hair within the style, and these twists last for as long as I need them to. So if you're interested in seeing this routine, keep on watching.
And them drawers come in handy.
First, I start off with 5 big sections, and this is to create the layout of how I want my twist to be, and then as I go, I'll create subsections within each of these sections. But the products I'll be using are the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer and the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. I use the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer first to act as a leave-in to really moisturize my hair. Then I'll detangle and I'll add the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate at the middle of my shaft and on the end to really seal in that moisture.
Bitches salty, they can't stand. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch. Hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She in her feelings.
To make sure my twists last as long as possible and they look clean and defined and have that rope twist look, while I'm twisting each strand to make the twist, I twist the strand on its own as if I'm making finger coils and twisting at the same time, and that makes my twist last longer, it stays together, and it's really defined.
She got a nigga, but he broke, she lost.
Hold up, at this private location. Hold up, put her back in rotation. Hold up.
Whenever I do my mini twist, I try to stay away from gels, and because I use a lot of water-based moisturizing products, all of the length that you see is gone by the second day. So if you have any tips for maintaining length or reducing shrinkage, let your girl know if they don't have to do with gel or tension.
Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek, hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek, bling, blah, hold up, I got gold on my teeth, hold up, you got rainbow on your feet, bro, bitch.
Hold up, corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up, never let a bitch dress me. Hold up, can't no motherfucking judge check me. Hold up, I don't give a fuck about no ring.
Yeah, hold up. Money make my old bitches hate. Hold up, bitch, you still stay on session 8, bro. Hold up, my new bitch wetter than a lady. Hold up, and she love to let me paint her face.
Hold up, fell in love with some good throw. Hold up, fell in love with some good throw.
Get into this hydration, get into the curl definition. The curl's 8. But now I'm adding some Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. I added it all throughout my scalp as I was twisting to make sure my scalp gets the TLC it needs as well. And Jamaican black castor oil is the only thing that I feel really eases the itching and dryness on my scalp.
Cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. 10 bad bitches in a mash. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding.
And them drugs come in handy. Last name Hendrix, bitch, but no, I'm not Jimmy. Hit her with no condom, shipped her right back out the country. And I'm sipping codeine, tests all on my stomach.
You saw right through every last bit of me. I should've known it from your energy. We've got this synergy. Your sofa's close like it remembers me. And still to me, 90 degrees in California, you put chills in me. Said it's something about my city, something about my city. Oakland girl, so damn hood, but we so damn pretty. Sometimes the town just brings you down, but we feel no pity. Don't need no extra bodies, I got that connect. With me, it's why you connect. With me, it's why you could step with me, why you can go hit the carpets, go ahead and get dressed with me, make me forget my ex and you on to the next. With me, love, that's everything to do. Bobby needs his credits with anything. Always said I'd be the one to do it. I changed the way they looking at us, women making music. Go put back on the ground, stop making us look so stupid. Not worried about these niggas, and less issue than I'm choosing. Even if I chose, I feel like you're the right decision. Yeah, you got aspirations, you ain't fucking up the vision. I love that you not worry about any other niggas. Only longing for persistence, only want something consistent. Does it make you nervous? I'm not afraid to say what I want.
I mainly use a comb to part the front of my hair because that's where the parts will be most visible, and I do like to maintain a very clean and sleek look. But for around the rest of my head, I mainly just finger parted, and that sufficed just as well, and it also cut down on styling time by a lot. So I would definitely recommend, if you're doing this style, if you don't really care for parts, then you don't have to use a comb at all to part, and you'll get your twist done super quickly. Or if you just want to use the comb in the front, you can do that, but to cut down styling time, try to use a rat tail comb as sparingly as possible.
Keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. Keeps it running. If she can keep it all running.
Sometimes the town just brings you down, but we feel no pity. Don't need no extra bodies, I got to connect. With me, it's why you connect. With me, it's why you could step. With me, why you can go hit the carpets, go ahead and get dressed. With me, make me forget my ex and you on to the next. With me, love has everything to do, Bobby needs his credits. With me, there always set up.
Now that all the twists are done and you can see the finished product, I hope this motivates you to give your hair some TLC. These twists were in for 2 weeks. They're actually in right now as I'm doing this voiceover, but they won't be for long because it's wash day. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.